everybody, my name is Genesis, also known as Curly Hair Jen. Today I'll be reviewing the Camille Rose Hero campaign. That is the shampoo, the conditioner, the leave-in, the deep conditioner, the twisting butter, and the curl maker. So I'm gonna be doing a demo today on my hair. This is a 7-day-old wash and go, so now it's time to refresh and do my weekly routine all over again. I've used the Camille Rose campaign already prior to doing this video, so I was able to form a little bit of an opinion and tell you guys about each product, which I'll do today as I'm washing my hair. I'm about to get rid of these stale crunchy curls. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. Right now, I'm about to cleanse. This is the Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse. Let me actually turn it around. Whoop. It contains good ingredients such as coconut oil, ginger. Obviously, ginger is really good for your hair and in general for like inflammatory, what is it? It's anti-inflammatory, so like it can get rid of any scalp issues, and it doesn't strip your hair of its natural oils and moisture, so it cleanses without really stripping your hair, and that's what I like most about this shampoo. Okay, so my hair is all wet. Just gonna go in, shampoo. And it actually does, like, you're not really seeing it here right now, but like it does suds up a bit, like it kind of foams. I prefer my shampoo to foam. Sometimes that's not always a good thing, but it just makes my hair feel cleaner and like it's actually getting the job done. How often do you guys wash your hair? Comment down below. Because I try to do once a week, but I feel like I don't really need to do it once a week. I think, yeah, it depends. It varies from 1 to 2 times a week. I mean, once every twice a week. That's what I meant to say. Gonna rinse. Okay, now that that's done, I'm gonna go in with this is the conditioning custard, and it has Moroccan pear and cherry kernel oil, as well as other oils to help keep the moisture in and everything that like sucks the moisture out of your hair that's part of the environment out. I'm gonna take a little bit of this now. Oh! And moisturize my strands with it. This is about how much I'm using. I know it's kind of a lot, but that's what I gotta do to get the job done. It smells really good. Like it also has lemon in it. Wow, that wasn't enough. So yes, I'm gonna finger detangle this in the shower and then come back and do the deep conditioner so that my strands can get some more moisture and really have that last throughout the week. Woo! So I just finished detangling. Now I'm about to go in with the Algae Renew Deep Conditioner. This is a renewing conditioning mask, so it helps with breakage. It's also good for like thinning hair. I know I have color treated curls right now, so it just causes my curls to be more prone to dryness and breakage. So that's why I really like this deep conditioner, because it helps strengthen at the end of my wash and go. I can really feel a difference in my hair strands, and it feels a little bit more stronger. Ever since I've been using this, I'm able to have both color and the style that I want without having to sacrifice the condition of my hair and the quality of my curls. I don't have to worry about breakage. So I really enjoy this deep conditioner, so I'm gonna keep using it. It smells like mint. Smells yummy. Have you ever had, well, I'm sure you have if you're watching this, but I've had so many hair products where I just want to eat it. I'm using about this much, or probably more. I'm probably gonna go back in. Putting a little bit extra for like the back of my hair, because in the center, in the back of my hair, like this part, you see how it's giving problems already? But like this part of my hair, that's like the driest, so I really try to cater to it the most. Because of that, I put a little bit extra TLC into the crown of my hair. I'm just gonna wrap this up, and I'm using a plastic cap to kind of trap the heat inside. When I'm doing my wash and go, I don't necessarily all the time go under the hooded dryer. I usually just let the steam from my shower and like the heat trap in here under the plastic cap and allow that to kind of marinate, because sometimes like I just don't always have the time to get out or go under a hooded dryer and hop back in. Our hair really takes like if you're air drying, our hair really takes like 3 to 5 business days to fully completely dry. So that's a way to just cut your wash day in half. Save everybody time, save everybody's time. 2020, we not wasting time. We not on that wasting time anymore. Cut your wash day in half. Ditch the hooded dryer. 2020, we saving our time and putting it. What am I sound like a commercial. I'm gonna let this marinate, finish my shower, come back, start the styling process. You're gonna see me use the Curl Love, the Curl Maker, and all that good stuff. So keep on watching. It's time to remove. I exfoliated my body. I feel good. Now I'm just going to wash this out. Okay, now that that's done, we're just gonna hop straight into it. This is the Curl Love Moisture Leave-In. It's a moisture milk / leave-in. I'm going in. Now my hair has the Curl Love all over it. My last 2 steps, which is, this is the Curl Maker. And this has more of a jelly-like consistency, so it really helps my curls to really set and stay in place and last a little bit longer throughout the week. It has marshmallow, which helps with slip, and agave leaf extract is to help nourish my hair and cause the overall condition of my curls and my hair to be stronger. I'm just coating it because it's a gel, and the gel is to allow the curls that I'm forming right now and scrunching to just last and help with formation. Last but absolutely not least is the Almond Joy twisting butter. This is a twisting butter, and I've seen most people use it for twist outs, but I very rarely do twist outs. So since it has like a buttery consistency to it, last time I used it, I did it in a wash and go, and it really helped fluff up my curls. So I love that the most because it gives me more volume. And it even says here, a super soft styling butter with aroma crafted to nourish and elongate. It's kind of thick. Well, of course it's a butter. That's what it looks like. And it smells so sweet. So sweet. It has a light yet very creamy. It smells like a dessert. It smells like dessert. A super what does this say? So I'm only putting a tiny bit, about a dime size, that much, because it is super thick and I don't want to pile up my hair. So I'm adding this right on top, with some added water. Believe it or not, those were the last 2 steps. That was the curl maker and the almond jai twisting butter. I think that's how you pronounce it. Almond jai, who knows. This is my complete 6-step wash and go routine using the Camille Rose Hero campaign. Thank you so much for watching. Actually, no. This is not the end. I still have to show you the results. I'm gonna take my time. I'm actually gonna air dry because that's what I like to do the most. Yes, I know it's gonna take 3 to 5 business days. When I air dry, I get the best results and I try to eliminate as much heat as possible. So I'm going to air dry.
2,000 years later.
So these are the final results using all of the products. I'm just gonna fluff right now to get a little bit more volume. Thank you all so much for watching. I really enjoy filming, trying new products, talking about them, and showing you guys the results and exactly why I like them. Oh, I should do like a mohawk. I should do a curly mohawk. Thank you all so much. Yes, and this is it, the Hero campaign Camille Rose 2020. I'll leave links to this campaign down below in the description box. I'm so in love with you, boy, with you, girl. I feel like a strawberry troll. I will see you all next time in the next video for the next wash and go, or you know, who knows what I decide to do next. Also, subscribe to my channel, follow me at Curly Hair Jen, you know the vibes. Like, subscribe, comment if you have a question. Feel free to reach out to me, I'll respond to you. And see.